Okay, today y'all, I will show y'all how to share your Google Drive with others. So I've already logged into my Google account right here, and then I went to this square app box and pressed on Drive. So now I'm here with my recents. So if I want to share, say, my Kanice Dot project, I would either press share Kanice Dot project, or I could get the shareable link. So I would press this right here. So I could add names or email addresses. So I'm going to add this email address. And I can also add more people. I could get the shareable link. I could add notes. So I will press advance right here. So when I press advance, I can click the link to share. And so I can share it, say, on Twitter, on Facebook, on my Gmail. So I can send it in the actual email. For access, for the private access, I could change that. So say if I want anybody on the internet to find it or use it, I would press public on web on. If I want to share the link, I will press that and they don't have to sign in. Or I could just keep it where certain people that I invited can only look at it. So yeah, I can also send a copy to myself. I could paste this item into the email. I can also make it where I'm the only one that could change anything about this document. So if I send it to somebody, they can't change it, they can only view it. Or I could also put it where that they can change it and make comments and everything like that. So yes, this is how you will share your Google Drives with other people. Thank you.